The Pacific Ocean by Richie, Patrick, Kabir, and Jaden Naden. The Pacific Ocean is the largest of the Earth's oceans divisions. It extends from the Arctic in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. It is shared by Asia and Australia in the west, and America in the east.
The area of the Pacific Ocean is 165,200,000 kilometers squared. The mean depth is 4,280 meters, and the islands in the Pacific Ocean are Tahiti, Bora Bora, Jarvis Island, Tonga, Johnston Atoll, and more.
What does Pacific mean? Pacific means peaceful, coming from the Latin pace for peace, and the Pacific Ocean got its name from the Portuguese explorers Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, who called its waters Mar Pacifico, which means peaceful sea.
Cleaning up the Great Pacific Garbage Patch has been a goal of green organizations for years. However, many recognize the task is next to impossible. According to scientists from Algeta Marine Research Foundation, the patch is just too large and too broken down to be cleanable. As plastic areas, the plastic is fine as dust.
The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a collection of marine debris in the North Pacific Ocean. Marine debris is litter that ends up in oceans, seas, and other large bodies of water.
Abiotic things in the Pacific Ocean. Salt water provides oxygen and moisture for the fish and other marine life underwater. Sand makes up the bottom floor of it, which also provides hiding places for some aquatic species. Shells. Various seashells are at the bottom of the sea, especially in reefs. The shells provide homes for snails, barnacles, octopi, hermit crabs, and clams that shelter within some hard fortress. Coral actually is both biotic and abiotic factors, because coral is something known as a living thing, and when it dies, it can be used as shelter for marine life.
Some biotic factors of the ocean are fish, whales, shark, dolphins, anything that is living in the ocean. They can also be plants like seaweed, coral, and more. Jellyfish, shark, whale, dolphin, krill, fungus, seaweed, plankton.
Thank you for watching our Pacific Ocean documentary. This documentary was made by Patrick, Richie, Kabir, and Jaden Naden. We hope you learned something new today.